So to solve this problem, I'm actually going to move this negative 2 to the right hand side. So I'm going to be having root 16 power x is equal to 30 plus 2. Okay, root 16 power x is equal to 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. Okay, I'm going to write this root 16 as 16 power 1 over 2, and I'll raise to power this x, and this should be equal to 32. I'll use this x to multiply this 1 over 2, so I will have root 16 power x divided by 2, and this should be equal to 32. So that I can write this 16 as 2 power 4 multiplied by x divided by 2 is equal to 32 is 2 power 5. Since the base is the same, I can actually cancel the bases and then I will equate the powers. So 4 multiplied by x divided by 2 is equal to 5. 2 can actually divide itself 1 and then divide 4 to be equal to 2. Should I have that 2 times x is equal to 2x, and then of course is equal to 5. If I divide through by the coefficient of x, x will be equal to 5 over 2.